Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about lately: how to cancel your Spocket subscription. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why you might want to cancel your Spocket subscription in the first place. Maybe you're not using it as much as you thought you would, or maybe you found a cheaper or more convenient alternative. Whatever the reason, it's important to understand the process so you can make an informed decision. So, let's get started. How to cancel your Spocket subscription. There are a few different ways to cancel your Spocket subscription, but I'm going to focus on the two most common methods. Method 1. Cancel online. Log in to your Spocket account. Click on the Settings tab. Select Membership. Click on the Cancel button. Enter your password. Click on the Confirm Cancellation button. Method 2. Cancel via email. Send an email to support@spocket.co. In your email, include your name, email address, and order number. Let Spocket know that you want to cancel your subscription. What happens after you cancel your subscription? Once you cancel your subscription, you will no longer have access to your Spocket account. However, you will still be able to access your orders and invoices up until the end of your billing cycle. If you have any questions about canceling your Spocket subscription, please feel free to contact their customer support team. Canceling your Spocket subscription is a simple process that can be done in a few minutes. If you're not happy with the service, or if you're just looking to save some money, then canceling your subscription is a good option. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on e-commerce and dropshipping. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.